Most people in their 20s and 30s make money mistakes that keep them broke for years. The crazy part? They don't even realize it until it's too late. But here's the good news. If you know these mistakes early, you can dodge them, save smarter, and build real financial freedom. So in this video, we're breaking down 8 of the biggest money mistakes to avoid. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 7. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zenith AKS, your guide to money, growth, and freedom. If you're ready to stop stressing about money and start making it work for you, you're in the right place. Now let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not tracking your expenses. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll always wonder why it disappears. Even small things like coffee, snacks, or subscriptions add up fast. For just 1 month, track every rupee or dollar you spend. You'll be shocked at how much you waste without even noticing. Awareness is the first step to control. Mistake number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. This is when all your money comes in and goes right back out before the month ends. No savings, no buffer. The problem isn't always how much you earn, it's how you manage it. Start by building a small emergency fund, even if it's just a few thousand rupees or dollars. That cushion keeps you from panicking every time life throws a surprise bill at you. Mistake number 3, falling into high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans, buy now pay later schemes. They seem convenient, but the interest is brutal. You end up paying 2 or 3 times the original amount. If you already have debt, focus on paying it off as fast as you can. And if you don't, stay away. Debt is the biggest wealth killer. Mistake number 4, not having an emergency fund. An emergency will happen, whether it's medical, job loss, or a family need. Without savings, you're forced into debt. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account. It may take time, but every contribution builds your safety net. Mistake number 5, lifestyle inflation. This is when you start earning more and instantly upgrade your lifestyle. Nicer phone, car, clothes, eating out more. Suddenly, no matter how much you make, it's never enough. Instead, every time your income goes up, save or invest a part of it before you increase your spending. That's how real wealth grows. Mistake number 6, not investing early. A lot of people think investing is for later in life, but the earlier you start, the more compound interest works for you. Even a small amount invested in your 20s can grow into something massive by your 40s or 50s. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Mistake number 7, not setting financial goals. If you're saving money without a reason, it feels boring. That's why most people quit. But when you save for something specific, like a vacation, your first home, or financial independence, it suddenly feels exciting. Goals give your money purpose and keep you motivated to stick with it. Mistake number 8, relying only on one source of income. Your job might feel secure, but nothing is guaranteed. Having a side hustle, freelance skill, or passive income stream makes you financially stronger. It doesn't have to be huge. Even a small extra income gives you freedom and confidence. So, if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical money tips. And share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Maybe you'll save them from making these mistakes too. This is Zenith AKS, your guide to money, growth, and freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.